Vivitek D555 Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. As per many users, Vivitek D555 gives a lot of bang for the buck. Great picture clarity. For many users, the projector was easy to install, adjust, and use. It works well as an office projector for the Presentaciones related tasks. Easy to set up and focus. Adjustable legs. It works well as an office projector for the presentations related tasks. Highly recommended for PPT presentations. Cons. Limited audio, but you have an option to connect an external speaker as well. A user didn't get the desired 3D performance. As per some users, the customer service is not very good. Poor resolution. That's it. Please like and subscribe.